Imagine living a life where money flows into your bank account whilst you're asleep, travelling or spending time with loved ones. Sounds a bit idyllic, right? Well, what if this dream is actually a well-crafted illusion? Let's take a true look at the myth of passive income and explore what it really takes to achieve financial freedom and potentially change how we think about money. Now, passive income has become the holy grail for those yearning to break free from the daily grind. It kind of often promises a lifestyle of leisure and luxury, all funded by income streams that supposedly require no effort. And yes, there are tons and tons of videos about how to make money via passive income, but these promises of an all too easy life often hide a harsher reality. To understand why we chase this dream, let's take a closer look at the psychology behind passive income and what it's really about that makes it often so attractive. Now, the concept of earning without effort kind of taps deeply into our primal fears and desires. It's a seductive idea appealing to our deepest wish for security and freedom. But here's the catch. Our brains, particularly the ancient, instinct-driven parts, are not designed for the complex realities of modern wealth creation. They generally seek immediate gratification and hits of dopamine, not long-term strategy. Now, this disconnect leads many into ventures that they're probably just not prepared for at all, often pouring resources, time, effort and money into projects without the passion or knowledge they really need to succeed. Now, let's take, for example, a couple, Mark and Lisa. Inspired by tales of digital nomads, invested their savings into creating an online store. Now, neither had experience in e-commerce, but the lure of the passive income blinded them to the steep learning curve ahead. So after months and months of hard work, this translated into, well, pretty dire returns. They struggled against the competition and technical challenges. Now, their story is common amongst so many and highlights a critical oversight in the passive income dream, that success requires more than just the initial setup. It demands an ongoing engagement, adaptability, and, well, a lot of hard work. So when we look at some of the popular passive income streams, such as real estate, websites or online selling, well, each of these avenues is often sold as a path to effortless earnings. However, they come with their own sets of challenges and demands. Real estate, for example, involves dealing with tenants and maintenance. Websites need constant content and SEO optimization, and online selling is just constant attention. These are not passive activities, they're fully fledged businesses that need your time, attention and expertise. So why then do many of us fall into the trap of pursuing passive income? Could it be that the appeal of earning, well, easy money overshadows the reality of hard work and perseverance actually needed to truly succeed? If passive income is truly a myth, well, what's the actual genuine path to wealth? Now, history shows us that true financial freedom, it really comes from actively engaging with and managing assets. Whether it's through creating valuable content or investing in stocks with a hands-on approach, or maybe starting and growing a business, the key to wealth isn't in finding the shortcuts, but in applying your skills and effort to the opportunities where you can add real value. So instead, we need to shift our mindset from seeking the elusive passive income to actively building and managing assets that can truly grow in value. Now, this journey does require dedication and learning and a willingness to engage deeply with your chosen fields. You need to treat it as a business, processes and workflows, and dedicate time to see it through. It's not the path of least resistance, but it's a path to a real sustainable wealth. If you really want to truly earn, identify your strengths, educate yourself in areas of potential growth, and take that first step towards actively building your financial future. The best investment you can make really is in your own potential. So hopefully I've opened your eyes a little to the truth about passive income. And if you are looking to grow your income, you can draw some strength from this and build a more sustainable and reliable income stream. So until next time, do drop me a like and let me know your thoughts. You might like to check out this video and I'll see you in the next one.